Strength lies in unity. Jai Hind दोस्तों, today I have been given a wonderful opportunity to speak on the topic global refugee crisis. So for the better understanding and assimilation of the topic, I have divided my topic in three parts. First, the intro, in which I will talk about what is the topic and why it is important. In the main body, I will talk about the current scenario, major challenges and their solution. And in the conclusion part, I will give my opinion regarding the topic. So refugees are the people who are forcefully displaced from one country to another. They flew their countries due to various reasons such as violence, human right violation, wars, persecution of the minorities, etc. They have to leave their home and everything else in search for a better place to live. Often they face threat to their life even in their own countries. So to celebrate the courage and the strength of the refugees, worldwide, United Nations organizes World Refugee Day every year on the 20th June. So this day offers various people to spread awareness about the global refugee crisis. Now talking about the current situation, so at present so many countries are refusing the refugees, not entering or allowing them, because they think that they could create a dispute or economic and security threat. Many refugees have to face a lot of problem and have to do a lot of struggle for the basic necessities of life such as food, water, clothing and sanitation, etc. Now the major challenges that I came upon are first the responsibility and second the financial support. So for the responsibility, all the countries should take or share the responsibility of refugees. Resettlement of refugees must be done as soon as possible without any further delay, and also they should be provided with the skill development courses and other employment opportunity so that they could also live a dignified life. Now talking about the financial problem, so for that the refugees should not be like we are sending them back to their countries. In fact, instead of this, host countries should be supported financially by the other international community, as countries are spending a lot of amount on the border or border related disputes, so they can also contribute a little amount towards the refugee or the protecting the life of the refugee. So at last my opinion regarding the topic is that although though refugees have to face a lot of problem and a lot of struggle related to their basic necessities such as food, shelter, clothing, sanitation, etc. So for that all the countries must take the responsibilities and provide them everything which is possible for the development, and they could also live a dignified life. And also international community must focus or work on the betterment of the countries from where these refugees are emerging. If these countries will better invest or better protect that countries from where the refugees are emerging a lot, so this global refugee crisis can be minimized. Thank you and Jai Hind.